Let's learn how to copy a WhatsApp group link. If you want to copy a group link on WhatsApp and send it to someone but don't know how to copy it, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you will know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the WhatsApp application. When you open WhatsApp, you will be on the Updates tab, but you don't need to be there. You need to be on the Chats tab, which you can access by clicking the Chats option located at the bottom right. Once the Chats tab opens, you need to find the group whose link you want to copy. After finding the group, click on it. When you do this, the group chat will open, showing the messages in that group. Now you need to open the group settings. You can do this by clicking on the group name at the top of the screen. When you click on it, a screen with many options will open. Scroll down until you reach the Members section. In this section, you will see a few options. Click on the option named Invite to Group via Link. When you click on this, a screen with several options will open. Among all these options, you need to click on the Copy Link option. Once you click this, you will have successfully copied the group link, which you can now send to someone. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.